Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this session now we are going to describe about the types of the constraints, what are the various examples of the constraints. In the previous session already we have seen what is the meaning of the constraint satisfaction problem, what are the various kinds of the constraint satisfactions and all these things. And now we are going to see what are the types of the constraints and what are the various kinds of the variables that we will use on constraints. Okay, so types of CSPs. So here types of CSPs we are having on unary variables, Boolean variables, binary variables and multiple variables. And we can implement these CSPs on finite domains like S or no or A, E, I, O, U, like that. These are the finite domains. Infinite domains like strings, integers, like continuous data. Okay, so what are the unary variables? So A is equal to 1, like that. What are the Boolean variables? A is equal to S or B is equal to no or A is equal to true or false or whatever it is. Binary variables means some A equal to B. We are checking the equality of two different variables. And coming to the multiple variables, F, T, O, U, W, R, X1, X2, X3, which is a crypt arithmetic problem, is the best example of these multiple variables. Crypt arithmetic problem. So we are having finite domains, infinite domains or continuous domains also we can have, and unary variables, binary variables. Okay, two values we are checking, and Boolean and multiple variables, like that. We are having various types of the constraint satisfaction problems. But whenever we are talking about the multiple variables, the cryptographic problem, crypt arithmetic problem is the very good example of this particular constraint satisfaction problems. Okay, so like this, based on the domains, based on the variables what we are going to use, and as well as based on other kind of the values what we are going to use, based on all these things we are working on these particular constraint satisfaction problems. So this is about the constraint satisfaction problems. In the coming video we will talk about some more heuristic techniques. Already we have completed most of the heuristic techniques in our past videos. Just go through that. In the coming videos we talk about some more kinds of the heuristic methods of the artificial intelligence. Okay, so if at all anybody didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you one and all. Thank you so much.